Good afternoon. If you're receiving this announcement with this video, this means that you are currently enrolled in one of three um, uh, online criminal justice courses for Fayetteville Tech. I wanted to send out a quick orientation video for you guys in order to get started. I've received a couple of questions via email, and I felt that it was be more efficient to post a video to help you guys get started in a couple areas. Now, before I get into that, I'm only going to have one page pulled up here for criminology. You might be in criminology 0902 or 0901. These are just two different sections. It's the same course, same start and end time. Assignments are completely the same. Due dates are completely the same. Just for simplicity reasons, I was only going to bring up one criminology course. I will also jump back and forth a little bit here because I'm also going to post this video for the corrections course. So if you're in CJC 141-1901, that means you're in an 8-week online corrections course. Orientation for some of these points here that I wanted to make this video for will be the same for both courses. I just felt that it was more efficient to include both courses in this video. So just getting started. So when you go into the course, the first thing that you're going to see are announcements. When I contact you all or send out information, this is going to be the predominant way I will use communications, because when I send out an announcement, not only does it post here, but I also send an email out to your email account. I've had a couple of emails from people who are brand new to the program, to the course. So what I recommend doing is, if you are first-time student or first time taking a course online, what I recommend doing is going to this tab here. This is how this course works. As you can see, it's available in both courses, how this course works. And when you click on this tab and you come in here, there's a couple of links here that will help you get orientated to the course. There's an orientation video, there's a student help window, and then there's a folder here that says new student Blackboard orientation, and then there's several links in here that you can use. Information about taking tests, tracking your grades. There's all kinds of useful information here that will help you get started and oriented to the course. And so that would be the first place that I would go if you've never taken a course here at Fayetteville Tech, or at least never taken an online course. So the second place that I would go for all students is the syllabus. Now, I'm going to pull this up over here as well in CJC 141. So when you pull the syllabus up, you're going to see a hyperlink here. You'll want to click on the hyperlink, and as you can see, it will take you right to the syllabus. You're going to have your section number. The criminology courses are 16-week long, so you see that it began Monday, August 19th, and ends December 14th, 2019. I'm not going to read through this whole thing here. My only suggestion is you bring this up, definitely read through it. It's not that long. It's only a few pages. I do want to bring your attention to page 3. Page 3 shows your categories, number of assignments, and how much they weigh towards your grade, and what you're going to be assessed on during this course. If the other place in here I wanted to point out to everybody is the outline of instruction. Here you can find a comprehensive schedule for this course, covering the module, the topics of the module, and what assignments are going to be due in each module. Okay, so this is a really good source for everyone. And like I said, here in the corrections course, if you click on the hyperlink, again, you'll see here CJC 141-1901. This particular class is an 8-week course, so it began Monday and ends on October 14th. As you can see, Same assignment list here. This course assignments align with the criminology course. And then again, if you scroll all the way down here, you will see your outline of instruction. Okay, so I want to go back because the main reason why I wanted to propose this video is because I wanted to get everybody into this course. So just a quick little bit of information here. When you take an assignment, or when you take any Fayetteville Tech course, you're going to have to complete an orientation assignment, okay? If the assignment is not completed by these designated due dates, then what I have to do, and this is not a me rule, this is not a Fayetteville Tech rule, this is federal rule, that if you do not complete an assignment by the 10% date, then I have to drop you from the course. You're actually going to be marked as a no-show. So I don't want to confuse anybody on here, so it's very important that each of you pull up the syllabus in your course and identify the due dates for this. If you're in the 16-week course, so if you're in criminology, 112-0901 or 112-0902, that orientation activity must be completed by August 28th, 2019. So it has to be completed by midnight on August 28th, 2019. If you're in the 8-week corrections course, CJC 141-1901, you must complete this by 8/22. Because you got to think of it, we're talking about the 10% time frame in this course. That 10% date is going to be shorter in an 8-week course than what it will be in a 16-week course. So it's very, very important. All you have to do to remain in this course is click on the orientation activity, and you're going to see that there's an orientation discussion. Again, another listing of the due date. What I'm looking for here is I want you to post an introductory message for the class. Feel free to share anything that you would like in that introduction. When you get done, give me 2 to 3 sentences that answer this one question. What is your prior knowledge on or experience with corrections? If you do not have any prior knowledge or experience, what do you think corrections entails? This is a graded assignment. You can look at that on the syllabus. This is worth 10% of your grade. 60 points are worth getting that initial post completed, and then 40 points are worth responding to 2 classmates, okay? And again, if you're in corrections, the initial post has to be completed by August 22nd, 2019. The orientation activity, I'm in the criminology site now. When you click on that, when you go in here, as you can see, this discussion is due on August 28th. Same kind of question. Tell me anything that you would like to tell us about yourself. And really it's the same kind of question. What is your prior knowledge on or experience with criminology? If you do not have any prior knowledge, what do you think criminology entails? And this assignment's worth 100 points. Same kind of deal with the corrections. And so you can actually access this assignment in 2 different ways. And I'm going to show you how you know that you completed the assignment. So if you go back over here and you click on the assignments tab, when you go in here, this is going to be the only thing that you see. You're only going to see the orientation activity, okay? When you click on this and you click on orientation discussion, now I'm going to tell you guys after I do this, some of you all in CJC 112-0901 have already completed this, so we're going to see some of your discussions. But when you click on this, as you can see, some other people have already posted. So thanks for everyone getting started. You want to create a thread. You want to click, just whatever you want to name it. And we'll do introduction, and then type in your answers. I'm just going to put hi for the purposes of showing everybody here. So once you go in here, you'll scroll down, type in a subject. Your message will be typed in right in this box here. And once you're done with that, click submit. And as you can see that the discussion populated here. If you're still unsure that you completed that introductory assignment, go back to assignments here, click on this tab there, and now you'll see that all the modules populate for you to view. Okay. So again, I'm going to go to corrections, and I'll show this again. When you go to assignments, the only thing that you're going to see is orientation activity. When you click on the link, click on the discussion, you want to create a thread, type in a subject, click submit. As you can see, my line showed up here, and then go back, click on assignments, and then boom, there you go. Now you can see all of your modules that are available for you to start working through. Okay, you can access that assignment also by going directly to the discussion boards. As you can see here, the orientation discussion, it's piling up. There's the corrections class has quite a few students in it, but we already have a total of 59 posts in there. And so that's a very important factor here that I wanted to go over with everybody. The only other thing that I would like to talk about is your textbook, and this goes for both classes. So both for criminology and for corrections, there is a textbook for your courses. We offer ebooks here at Fayetteville Tech, and so when you contact the bookstore, they'll give you an ebook code, and there's instructions on how to use that code here in Blackboard. You can pull it up here and see, but these are available to you on the Blackboard site. It's available in both classes. Some of these books are available to purchase a hard copy if you want to do that from the bookstore. And just for everybody's convenience, I also sent out last week links to Amazon if you wanted to go that route as well. Okay, so that's basically what I wanted to do, just to get everybody started. I really wanted to get everybody focused on that orientation discussion, especially if you're in corrections. Because if you do not complete this, if you're in corrections and you do not complete this assignment by midnight on August 22nd, you will be marked as a no-show and dropped from the course. If you're in criminology, you have until August 28th. But I wouldn't wait until then. I would try to get that knocked out soon, so that as soon as you complete that, you'll have access to the rest of the learning modules. All right, so I think that's everything I wanted to cover. I do plan to be setting up online chat sessions, so I'll be sending out some more information on that later. So once I do that, I'll send that information out. Until then, if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. My office hours are available on the syllabus. I am available mostly through email for my online courses, but I do work during the day here on campus if you want to give me a phone call. Look forward to working with you all. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Okay, bye-bye.